In general, it is considered good practice to minimize the use of junction boxes by splicing wires directly whenever possible. This can simplify the electrical system, reduce potential points of failure, and improve the overall aesthetics of the installation. Fewer connections mean less chance of loose connections, arcing, or other problems. Direct splicing reduces the risk of exposed wires or improper connections. Fewer boxes and wires make the system easier to troubleshoot and maintain. Eliminating unnecessary boxes can create a cleaner and more streamlined look. While eliminating junction boxes is generally preferred, there may be situations where it is necessary to leave them. Building codes may require junction boxes in certain locations, such as where multiple circuits converge or where underground wiring transitions to aerial wiring. Junction boxes can provide convenient access for future troubleshooting, modifications, or additions to the electrical system. In areas prone to moisture or extreme temperatures, junction boxes can protect splices from damage or corrosion. Homeowners or designers may prefer the look of exposed junction boxes in certain areas for decorative purposes. When it is necessary to use junction boxes, follow these best practices. Firstly, use appropriate size and rated boxes. Secondly, secure boxes firmly to the structure. Thirdly, use proper wire connectors and terminate all wires securely. Fourthly, cover boxes with appropriate faceplates or covers. And fifthly, label boxes clearly to identify the circuits and connections they contain.